This video explains how to install an optional 550 sheet tray onto a Xerox VersaLink C625 color multifunction printer. The VersaLink C625 multifunction printer can support up to 6 total paper trays. Tray 1 is the standard 550 sheet tray with an integrated 100 sheet bypass tray, and trays 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the optional 550 sheet trays. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550 sheet tray. Set the correct tray number. Pull the tray out. Remove any packing materials, and then slide the tray back in. Lift the printer and place it on the top of the 550 sheet tray until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. Follow the same instructions to install the remaining optional 550 sheet trays. For more information, refer to the Xerox VersaLink C625 Multifunction Printer User Guide.